Yeah, the Supreme Court just destroyed our ability to defend ourselves against the Trump administration. They just did that. That was what universal injunctions were. Our ability to defend against Trump and against any other administration. What we are going to do now that we don't agree with something that the administration does, we don't have a choice. Yes, we don't have a choice. Especially people like me who reside in red states. Who is going to defend my rights? Nobody. Nobody will. We are screwed. At least people in blue states, they still have their attorney generals fighting for them, but who is fighting for me? No one. You know. I'm not here to sound pessimistic, but I wouldn't sugarcoat anything. Like we're screwed. The Supreme Court should have never give the administration that type of power. 100 years from now, when they study the end of the American Empire of this country, like they are studying the Roman Empire, they are going to cite that as one of the major things that led to the collapse of this country. It won't be the major thing, but it'll be one of the last, together with a horrible immunity decision that they did. But because the thing that you need to understand until now, the Trump administration has been hampered by the courts, but that won't be no longer, because now you need to be a party to the case for you to receive relief in that case. I'm not a lawyer, so that is my understanding. So let's say that something happened now, and that affect me, like Trump signed some weird executive order getting rid of my freedom of speech. Now I need to sue the Trump administration directly to get my right restored. Before, with a universal injunction, I didn't need to do anything because somebody already sued for me to defend my rights. But now I need to sue directly for me. Suing in this country is expensive. It's expensive. It's really expensive. Yeah, it's super expensive. So I'm not happy about this. That's what I'm trying to say. The Supreme Court screwed really bad on this one. To me, this is the worst. This is the worst decision that the Supreme Court has probably issued in a long, long time. Even worse than the presidential immunity case. Please, if you make it this long, please subscribe, leave a comment. You can tell that I'm really upset about this, but I just wanted to give you my perspective on this case. And I'm not a lawyer, and I pretend to be one, but just the perspective from a guy from his bed. Comment if you agree with me.